Burna Boy continued making waves as he was seen on stage yesterday as he joined Shakira as she sold out the Barclays Center in New York. Okay, guys, Burna Boy and Shakira has one of the biggest songs in the world right now. The song has been breaking record, the number one record in the world right now. Their massive song Die Die was featured on the FIFA World Cup. Burna Boy performed at the FIFA World Cup final halftime show on Sunday, and yesterday he joined Shakira on stage for her show she did at the Barclays Center. Shakira sold out the 20,000 capacity, and Burna Boy came on stage and she was so happy seeing Burna Boy. Like, the kind of energy between Shakira and Burna Boy is something I really love. It was a fantastic show. They performed their songs together, have fun. Burna Boy's mom was seen really proud of her son as she was seeing them dancing backstage. It was an outstanding and fantastic performance. Watch how the whole thing went down.
All the tears and the pain, but then I threw it all, threw it again. And you got to believe, cause you know what it takes to believe in my dream. At the top of your game, feel it, got everything you need it. Now bring it like you need it, just like you need it. Got it, and you got to believe, cause you know what it takes to believe in my dream. At the top of your game, feel it, got everything you need it. Now bring it like you need it, just like you need it. Got it, we're not going to solve, going to solve. But it's contagious, you know, and it never fails.